Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join iFerg's Discord server in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the search bar at the top of YouTube and type iFerg into the search box. The search bar expands and displays suggestions as you type. Click on iFerg channel from the search results to open the channel page. The page loads showing the channel banner, subscriber count, and recent uploads. Once you're on the channel page, click the More button in the channel description and a channel info dialog opens with several links including Discord, Instagram, Twitter, and other social platforms. Click the Discord link in that dialog, which redirects you to Discord's invite page. A new tab opens with the Discord web interface. The invite screen for FergFam loads, showing you the server name and member count. You'll see the server icon and how many members are currently online. Click the Accept As button with your username to join the server, and an accepting invite dialog appears with a loading animation. A CAPTCHA prompt appears asking if you're human. Click the I am human checkbox to verify. This security check confirms you're not a bot before joining. Discord loads the server and an onboarding screen welcomes you to FergFam. The welcome message appears with the server's branding and customization. The first onboarding screen asks you to connect accounts. Click Skip to move on. You can always add connected accounts later from your profile settings. Next, it asks about game interests. Click Skip again to continue through the setup. A notification preferences screen appears. Click Skip once more to keep moving. An interest selection screen loads. Click Skip to move past it and finish the onboarding process. The server rules screen appears. Read through them if you like, then click Finish at the bottom. The rules outline community guidelines and expected behavior in the server. You're now in the server homepage. Click Channels and Roles at the top to see the full channel list with announcements, general chat, and other channels available. The panel expands showing all the text and voice channels organized by category. Click any channel like general chat to start browsing the server, and you'll see the FergFam server icon highlighted in the server list on the left. The channel opens with the message history, and you can start reading or posting. If the Discord link doesn't appear in the channel info, check the About tab on the channel page. Creators sometimes move their social links there. You can change your notification settings for the server at any time by right-clicking the server icon in the left sidebar and selecting Notification Settings. If you want to leave the server later, right-click the server icon and choose Leave Server at the bottom of the menu. And that's how to join iFerg's Discord server. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.